Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat pumpkin every day? This might seem like an unusual question, but the truth is, pumpkins hold a plethora of health benefits that are often overlooked. Many of us associate pumpkins with Halloween carvings or Thanksgiving pies, but there's so much more to this vibrant orange vegetable than meets the eye. Pumpkins are often dismissed as nothing more than seasonal decor or dessert ingredient. This common misconception couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, when included in our daily diet, pumpkins can have a substantial impact on our overall health and well-being. Now, what if we told you that this humble vegetable can do wonders for your heart health, boost your immune system, and even help you maintain a healthy weight? Intriguing, isn't it? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of pumpkins and uncover their surprising health benefits. Prepare to be amazed by the power of the humble pumpkin. First, let's delve into the nutritional profile of pumpkins. These vibrant orange veggies are a cornucopia of health-enhancing nutrients. Pumpkins are teeming with vitamins, particularly vitamin A, which supports eye health, and vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. Additionally, pumpkins are a good source of minerals like potassium, which aids in maintaining a healthy blood pressure, and magnesium that supports bone health. But that's not all. These gourd family members are also packed with antioxidants such as alpha-carotene and beta-carotene. These antioxidants can help protect your body against free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of certain chronic diseases. And let's not forget about dietary fiber. A serving of pumpkin can provide a significant portion of your daily fiber needs, promoting a healthy digestive system and potentially aiding in weight management. Loaded with these nutrients, pumpkins are more than just a Halloween decoration or a pie filling. So eating pumpkin every day means you're feeding your body with a nutritional powerhouse. Now, let's explore the many incredible health benefits of eating pumpkin every day. Firstly, pumpkins are a powerhouse of vitamins, notably vitamin A, which is known to boost your body's immunity. This means your body becomes better equipped to fight off infections, keeping you healthier. Next, the bright orange color of pumpkins comes from beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that our bodies convert into a form that enhances vision, particularly in dim light. Pumpkins also promote heart health. They're packed with fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, all of which support a healthy heart. And if you're looking to shed a few pounds, pumpkins can be your best friend. They're low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied without overeating. Finally, the vitamins A, C, and E found in pumpkins contribute to healthy, glowing skin by promoting cell turnover and collagen production. Impressive, isn't it? But that's not all. If you thought that was all, think again. Pumpkins are not just for Halloween or your favorite pie. They have a lot more to offer. One of the lesser-known benefits of eating pumpkins is their potential to improve your sleep quality. That's right. Pumpkins are rich in tryptophan, an essential amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates sleep. So, a little pumpkin in your dinner could mean a good night's sleep. Moreover, pumpkins are a great source of dietary fiber. This means they could play a significant role in promoting digestive health. Regular consumption of pumpkins can help ensure smooth digestion and may even help in weight management. In conclusion, the humble pumpkin is a powerhouse of nutrients that offer a plethora of health benefits. So next time you overlook that pumpkin in the grocery store, remember the incredible benefits it could bring to your health. Give it a try.